Okay, so you're welcome to my channel. Let's just get over with this. I don't want to keep the story. Subscribe if you just joined me for the first time. Let's move on. Okay, so the first thing is I'll be bringing in my background. So we just come here and bring in the elements I used for my background. So this is it. Just come to this side, get it inside. So all I just did is I'll be adding let me not use this because I've already done like additional work on that one, so I need to get that exact preset. I've done a bit of working on that thing, so I'll just so I've brought in this other one. Alright, so I'll use this now. So this is, I think it's about between the range of 140 to 130 and 140 now. Okay, and this is 40. Actually, when I mean I did a bit of work, it's just one of my previous designs. I used this particular I used the that image as my background. I used a particular image as my background. Okay, so for this design, and I've already added like a bit of working on it, so I just need to be sure of the exact presets I used. So this is 135/40, so that's all. So let me just come here and 135. Is it minus or negative 40 now? That I didn't get to notice. So we just work with this like this, and we'll lock this guy. So the next thing is I will bring in the image of my model. Okay, so this is our image. So I'll just leave it like this, and I'll lock this. So the next thing is I'll bring in a shape, a different shape. I'll just position my shape somewhere around here. I'll send my shape like this. Alright, so before I send it like this, let me just give the color from here. So this is the color plus. We can use this particular one. This side, come to the eyedropper, come to the lady's skin, pick just that side. Then this other side, come to also the lady's skin, pick this darker side. So that's where I okay. So I have this. So let me just come and save my changes. So for the brand name, Glamland. Glamland collection. So we'll be using the same one for our text. So for this my model, I'm just going to push our picture bit inside. Okay, so for the text I use Stampel. So this is a Stampel. so I can add padding to it. Okay, so just get over with this one. Tap Glamland collection. Alright, so the next thing is I'll come to my project. Sorry, I've saved changes. Right, I don't want to type in. I don't like typing, so I'll just come here and get rid of this line all kinds of. I don't like typing them over and over again, so I'm just going to, I may not use this exact the exact preset I used anyway. The lines in all kind of, so just reduce the size to about, I think 16 should be okay. Font should be Montserrat regular, this regular, not this tiny one. This regular should be okay. Then if you don't have this tiny one, you can use medium. So let me check the size. So 16 is okay. Bringing my grid to just for the sake of alignment. Okay, let me bring in this guy here. Okay, let me bring in this one just for the sake of alignment and order. So just come here, copy services, then so am I going to, I came here and I used one of these. Click on plus, click on this eyedropper. So I took this color from this. Okay, I took it from this guy. So when you're working on a design and you're working on a project, so the best thing is one way you can use color. If you don't know, for those that don't know how to use color, choose color. Pick color from the element you'll be using. Now, so I'll set this to Montserrat bold. Okay, I think I've already done that. Okay, so this is not necessary. Majorly because I'm not using you can use extra bold, but I think bold is okay. I'm okay with bold for this particular what I want to use it for. Montserrat. See, it's like the weights are just like the same. Okay, so services, let me just make the line here. Okay, so we have this guy, so making progress. So I'll come to shape and I'll just scroll it down like this, scroll it down. Okay, I think I'll work with this. So I'll just come to this guy and I'll come to texture. So let's just bring, when she said she do makeover, so let's just like this guy. Okay, so we have that one. Then for the stroke, let's add a bit of 4 or 5. Let's see the weight. We can still make use of. Okay, so I think I kind of like if it the perfumes, body cream. Okay, now okay, so I'm almost done. Then okay, I brought in a butterfly that I made use of. So I'm just going to bring in from my download like this butterfly. Okay, so gonna come here to not erase color now. Yeah, erase color. Okay, so but instead of white, I'll just set it to this color. Yeah, the orange one. They just increase it. So you can come to color, use the gradient color if you want, or you can just instead of the gradient color, just come and pick this. Then you have to reduce the size. Don't let it draw too much attention. Right, it won't even draw too much attention anyway. So so for this one, I'm going to copy this. Then the style, let it be italics. Okay, so let's just set it like this. You can see I didn't use much. Okay, let's just keep our motto there. So let's see what we're having next. It's just the contact address. So this services, copy, edit, contacts. Okay, so come to this guy here. Contact. Okay, so we'll put that on here. CF Glam Land Collections. CF, please. So V, okay, let me just use plus 8106196382. So I'll come to color, my color here, then I'm going to highlight this CF, then I'll highlight the V. So yes, the remaining come and use this particular font. Now this particular font came in my Pixellab. So in case you're not having it, I think I did a video here on about 200 fonts which I gave out, so you can just check that video out. The font is there. The line all kind. I think I should just make this 2. Now the main reason I'm making it 2 is I think that 3 should be okay. Okay, so contact. What am I doing? So see, this is what I'm supposed to put there, right? This is what I'm supposed to put there. So I think I can, let me just merge this. I want to reduce the size. Okay, so yeah, I don't want to just be moving them one by one. Okay, so we are done. We are done. Okay, so services, contacts, yes or no, Glamland, dealers in all kind of just okay, contacts. So maybe we'll just reduce the size for it not to be sharing the same weight with this other guy. The line spacing about 2 should be okay. So we are done. So the next thing is just bring in this butterfly, just arrange it there. So is this golden ribbon, so I just position it somewhere around just to add a bit of style. Okay. Guys, okay. So this was my mode of beats. We're done. Okay, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. So with satisfaction and pride, I still feel like bringing these services and dinners in all kind of way to the top a bit. We're done, we're done, we're done, we're done, we're done. Your satisfaction dinners in all kind of so we'll just stick with this. So save changes. So in case we run into a mistake, we won't just have to edit it over and again. So I'll come to Photoshop Express. So I don't know if that image is saved anyway. I don't think so. Still rendering in Pixellab. Okay, it's now done. So this is the image. So I'll come to adjustment. I will sharpen, increase the by 23, 25. Okay, so I'll sharpen it 30. You see the details are popping out already. But I still feel I can just reduce this contact and the services. I feel they are too bold. The size is big. Just feel maybe it should be okay. Like the weight, how it is appearing. Okay, so I just feel it should be somehow like this. Now if you like it, go ahead and do it. If you don't, so let me add a bit of this to this. I'll say it brought out let me make it about 6. Okay, and contrast, but I want to add this now. Shadows, I'm going to reduce the shadows. The highlight, let me increase it a bit. Okay, so I am done with this guy. Okay, I am done with this guy. So we are done. This is before, this is after. Click on next and we'll just come here and save. So that's all we're having for this particular tutorial. Thank you for staying tuned to this time. We'll see you in the next video.